Hey fam, it's the Southern Girl Chantel Yvette. Welcome back to part 5 of our small kitchen and home renovation series. We finally reached the end. The goal with any project is to execute the required task, stick to a schedule, and stay on budget. With the completion of construction and the final touches added, this is what we achieved. Starting this project, we designed and constructed a hybrid deck using a combination of composite decking and pressure-treated wood to save on cost and increase longevity. The garage was converted into a family room. This newly insulated space received recessed lighting, fresh paint, and cost-effective flooring with the installation of indoor-outdoor carpet tiles. Our smart renovations increased our homeowner's living space by 400 square feet. The laundry room, though small, we made some mighty changes affordably, just by painting the entire space the same color, updating the light fixture, and installing cabinets to the ceiling. We not only beautified this space, but addressed much needed storage. In the heart of the home, this galley kitchen got an overhaul with quality new cabinets, quartz countertops, new sink, faucet, garbage disposal, fresh paint, gorgeous wallpaper, and the installation of much needed lights to brighten this new beautiful space.
Change some stuff, okay?
I just wanted you to see how your accessories came together and reutilize it. Do you like the rug? I actually have you two, so you have another one that has a different pattern. You know, just it's always good to have a couple of rugs. I'm flipping on that light switch over there. Yeah. So, you love it? Okay, open up let's go into the laundry room.
Okay.
Turn around.
Yes, that's cute.
Yes, I love it.
Yeah.
Right now, we have definitely changed your space, and Reggie and I, come on in, Reggie, our contractor, we hope that you have enjoyed this journey, that we did have a couple of hiccups. We made it happen.
Stuff that I was gonna do, and what I had in mind, but it's things I would have never thought of.
Okay.
I was just gonna replace what I had.
Yeah.
I never thought I could ever have a pantry. I never would have thought I could have had a sit-in bench. I would have never thought of that. So I would have never thought about having the flooring over here. I would have never thought of that either.
Yeah.
So it's just amazing.
Let's not forget our trash can.
Yes.
Hidden trash
would
can.
Never thought of that either. Never would have.
Well, I am so happy that you are pleased with everything. We get that extra storage. This is perfect seating. I had another little picture, but I stole one of your pictures.
Yes.
But it was perfect because I was really trying to find something to match the existing artwork that you had. That picture just kept calling me, and I said, that's the one. I knew that it was the right for that spot. So we'll work on this where I stole the picture from and maybe group it with this one. But that one I think is a perfect addition to the kitchen. You know what I said some time ago about signs. But these, they were too adorable not to use. Wash, dry, you saw your fold, and repeat.
I thought that was really cute.
Yeah.
Perfect.
It's perfect. And they are actually Velcroed down.
Okay.
They're leveled Velcroed down so they won't move.
Okay.
Just like this one, if somebody bumps it. Sometimes pictures of shift. I also put a piece of Velcro on that one.
Oh, okay.
And as far as your mat, it has the grip. I use some Velcro here to keep the in place.
Okay.
Leave you some Velcro because this is the other one that I got for you.
Okay.
Got another rug, a spare rug, because kitchen rugs, things get dropped on them. We just want to thank you so much for using Southern Girl Interiors and Reggie painting incorporations on this project, and I am thrilled that everything came out. It looks beautiful.
Yeah.
It's now time to turn over your home.
Yeah.
Thank y'all so much for stopping by. If you missed any of the videos in this series, no worries. They are listed together in a playlist. I've also created some fun shorts for Transformation Tuesdays and Designer Thought Thursdays, packed with tips and highlights on this project. If you're thinking about renovating anything in your home, you have to download my free kitchen reno guide. It's packed with helpful information to help you avoid some common mistakes. Do you need some professional guidance in your interior design project? Head over to my website and book a 15-minute complimentary discovery call. Remember to subscribe to become part of my family. Hit that notification button so you don't miss any of the new content. You can always join the fun by following on my other social platforms. I know I have some videos you've never seen before. If you're ready to watch and learn something new, well, here you go.